Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Psalms, chapter 104, in verse 12, where it says, "The birds of the sky nest by the waters, they sing among the branches." So this is a psalm of praise, and God is telling us of how He created everything beautiful in this world, and He is reminding us of that we need to praise Him in everything and just thank Him for what He has given us. And so I was reading a devotional on this verse, and it was talking about how God created, there's so many birds that He has created, and each one of them has many songs that it sings every day. I mean, they're just like hundreds of variations. Especially, you can go out now. It seems like spring is early here where I live. I'm in California, and it's been like 75 to 80, a little like almost up to 90 degrees on some days in the past couple weeks. The birds are out, and I'll have my door open and just hear the beautiful little songs that the birds are singing. So, and just like the birds have all those songs that God has given them, God has also given us songs in our hearts that we can sing to Him, just to give Him thanks for everything that He has given us. So that's just a reminder. I love this stamp set that I picked up at Tuesday morning. It's called the Harmony Stamp by Bo Bunny, and it has this beautiful bird on it, and then it has some music notes. So I thought I would use this with my watercolors. I have a couple washi tapes here with some flowers and just a geometric pattern. So I think I'm just going to add some watercolor to the background and then do some stamping and maybe write in the verse on here. So let's just go ahead and get started with this and see how it turns out. All right, so here's my final journal entry. This is just a simple watercolor background. I added some washi tape on the bottom and the top there. I went in with the bird stamp and then the music stamp on the bottom and top, and then went ahead and wrote the verse along there as well. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.